Hello friend, welcome back. So in today's video I will show you how to play the song Dil, or the Sinhala version of this song is Oba Mage Hadawate Paladuwa song on flute. So this is an easy tutorial. You can use any flute that you have, and also you can get the notation from my WhatsApp and Telegram groups. You can get the links from the description. And so let's move to the video. Before that, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to get more videos like this. So let's move to the video. So I'm using my double G flute today, and you can use any flute that you have. So the first line goes like, okay, da da, and need to say when you play ni, you need to play Comal ni, okay. Da da ni sa re sa, okay. Then sa sa ga ga re sa re sa ni da. Again, sa sa ga ga re sa re sa ni da. Then again, when you play for second time, we stop and in re, okay. Then re sa da ni sa re ga re. When you play re in here, you need to play Comal re. Ga re is Comal, right? Okay, again. Okay, and then ga ma pa, ga ma pa, da ni da pa sa, ni da ma pa, ma pa ma ga, re ga re. Okay, again I will show you the whole part, okay. When you play re ga re, it's also Comal re. You will stop at Comal re, okay. And then maine tera naam, okay, ma ga re pa ga re sa. Again, ma ga re pa ga re sa. Sa sa re ga ma re. And then ma ga re ga ma da pa ni da ma ga. Sa sa re ga ma ga pa ga re. And then re sa ni da sa ni ma. Ga ga re ma ga. Okay, again. then so that's it guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and learned how to play this song through this video. So don't forget to share your comments what you think about this video. Let's meet in another tutorial video. Until that, keep playing, keep practicing. Bye bye.